Hi everybody, today I will be showing you how to use Relevance AI with Google Calendar. This is actually super easy. First, what you need to do is simply head over to your integrations and API keys, and in here you need to search for calendar, right? So just like this, we will be able to see we should have our Google Calendar here, right? And actually it is not showing up, so you can see we have a different type of Google products, and calendar is also going to be available somewhere here. If not, you can generate an API key. Let me just actually find it. So yeah, okay, so you can see we have Calendly. You can use this, and yeah, here we got our Google Calendar and everything. So this is what we need. We need to simply integrate a Google account, and boom, we are good to go. To access Relevance AI and get some extended benefits and rewards, you can use the link in the description below, and we will be good to go. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.